Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of season 20 Warships. I don't know if you guys saw our last video, but it's going to be a grind, like I said, for maybe 2 or 3 days or so, as we're trying to save some of these chests right here. We're just going to kind of grind through, and here's where we are right now. I had to make a quick deviation from our plan. We had to go up and get heavies, and that was a good move because now we're able to farm, like I said, some tokens and keys. So recently we unlocked our shock bombs, which helps. We haven't upgraded it. We're going to get our troop damage next, and then of course we're going to work our way down here. All the way to our new engine. Okay, so we may or may not win a few of these battles, but what I like to do is go 5 and 3, and then like I said, we win some, we lose some, but right now it's just about farming. So in this particular case, easy split. We'll just go wherever they have the most defense. We'll send 3. So 1, 2.
And the hole! Welcome back! Land the hole!
Alright, so you can see there, 323 is a pretty good time. Yeah, so we won. So this early in the season, we're getting beat all over the place with 330s and 320s and stuff. So our offense is pretty decent, like I said. Those warriors are really fast. So they end up, let me show you the chart, because we're about 50-50 right now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we've won 6 and lost 4, but that's how it goes. And like I said, all we're really doing is trying to get some of these chests so we can move on. We're not really going to see a lot of tremendous growth in our ranking for a couple of days until we get those bombardiers. Okay, so let's do it again. Boom, boom. Oh, we're on a 3 win. That's good.
Jolly good! Hurrah!
Well, there you go. So yeah, like I said, we're about 50-50. 331. I mean, people are getting some pretty amazing times. I think the best I've seen is a 332, which means they took our whole base down in 32 seconds. I mean, what is that, 28 seconds? So anyway, you could see our meek little base. Really, nothing to write home about or anything. Let's just see what he did, just so you guys can see sort of how we're losing, and hopefully you guys are winning. I'm not a big believer in warriors. Warriors are going to be dominant in the beginning, just for a little while. There you go. That's actually, I like that. That's actually a really good attack in the beginning, using Kavan to protect with that with shield. So yeah, I actually hadn't seen that one, but most of our losses are to warriors. And like I said, guys, don't fret. Yeah, it's gonna happen in the beginning, but once you get mines and rocket launchers and mortars, it's just not gonna be. I think it's a waste of tokens. And it's a little bit tricky because of the flamethrowers. So, okay, so 3 on the left and 2 on the right. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back!
All right. Another one down the drain. So that was a close one, at least. Okay. Yeah, and like I said, guys, hopefully you been following our videos. Like I said, I'm very strategic here, and we plan for the future. So hopefully you guys have been with our channel for a little while. But let me just show you to establish a little bit of credibility. I'm number 2 right now in our task force. But look, okay, so I've been a 22, 21 the past 2 seasons. So you got to have a little bit of faith that you're doing the right thing. I'm going to do a video shortly about the formula for winning, but it's essentially, you want to have the highest rank with the lowest amount of tech. So you don't want to waste tech. And like I said here, we could have done all kinds of stuff. We could have got a ton of mines. We could have got a ton of warriors or upgraded them. We could have gone up and gotten, extra guns, or gone down and gotten some Zukas. But again, to me, that's a waste of time and energy and keys and tokens. And you don't really need to do that. Stay on the path that you want. And again, what I'm thinking here is 5-6 engines, and either seekers or bombardiers. For me, bombardiers. So I'm going to do it again in 20 minutes or so when my chest resets. Next chest 14 minutes. So I'm going to do more of this, kind of grinding away, getting some chests, and then hopefully we'll be able to move up slowly. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you soon.